Okay, students, this is going to be a video on the structure and function of DNA. So we're going to start off by drawing a circle, and that's going to be our cell. And inside of our cell, we have the nucleus. And inside of this nucleus, we have DNA. So let's pull out the DNA. And what do we know about DNA? So we know that from the macromolecules lab, that is a nucleic acid, and it is double helical. And so if we were to draw our DNA, right, and it has this helical structure, okay, just like that. And if we were to look at just a portion of the DNA, let's say this could be our gene, right? And so these genes will then code for something. And we'll talk a little bit about that in a different video. All right, so let's take a look at this DNA structure just a little bit more. So we know that it is a nucleic acid. And so what does that mean? So we know that it's a monomer, and the monomer is made up of a phosphate. And then we have our sugar, and then we have our base. And so our sugar is going to be deoxyribose. Now it's one word, but I don't have room to fit it all in here. And then this is going to be our phosphate. And now when they draw out this sugar, we have to label all the carbons. So there's an oxygen here. There's 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So this is 1/2 of your DNA. Now each half, so each of the base pairs are held together by a hydrogen bond. Okay, so this is a hydrogen bond base. And they are complementary to each other. So this is going to look the same thing, but flipped and reversed. So if we go here, and then we're going to draw our sugar. Okay. And so it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And normally when you see DNA, you're going to see that it goes from 5' to 3'. And what does that mean? That's just talking about the carbons. And so if you were to draw another rung here, so then this would be your phosphate coming out. Okay, just like this. There's your sugar. There's your base. There's your hydrogen bond. There's your base. Okay. And then your other phosphate would be down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Base, base. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 5, which is right there. Okay. So when you take a look, this goes from 5 to 3 and from 3 to 5. And you can kind of see how this starts with 3 and this ends with a 5. Hopefully that will help you with the structure and function of DNA. We're going to dive into a little bit more detail in the next video.